Are you having some stiffness, aches on your upper back all the way to your low back area? Hi, my name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. I'll be demonstrating a full body Pilates and Yoga Fusion workout to strengthen your core, lengthen your spine, and improve your overall health before you start your day. Or you can do this at the end of the day. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, let's start lying on your back. We're going to start warming our core muscles. As you inhale, slowly bend your knees to tabletop position. Place your hands behind your head. Clasp your fingers. Place your thumbs on the base of your neck. As you slowly lift to engage your core muscles, feel the abdominal muscles engage. As you exhale, extend the opposite leg. Start with your right if you like, and slowly lower your right foot down with your knee straight. Tap the mat gently, and then exhale up, keeping the other leg in a tabletop position. Inhale and exhale. 2 more. Last one. Tap and lift. Now slowly bend your right knee. Switch it up to the other side. Extend the other leg. As you tap, lower with your knee extend. Exhale, lift. Keeping your core engaged. If your neck is hurting, it means you're loosening your neck muscles. Then rest your neck down, your head down, and lift. Exhale, lift. Inhale down. 2 more. Last one. And bend your knees slowly. Tap both feet down to the mat, engaging your core muscles, targeting your lower abdominals. And then lift and squeeze and down. Exhale as you squeeze. Tap gently your toes and squeeze up. 2 more. Last one. And squeeze. Now from this position, we're going to slowly open your knees out to a butterfly position. And then squeezing your abdominal muscles. And then back center. Open, engaging your abdominal muscles, and then center. Open your feet and knees apart level, and then knees and feet together. As you breathe out, inhale and exhale. Squeeze your abdominal muscles. Feel your core muscles engage. 2 more. Last one. And now we are progressing. Butterfly position. As you exhale, V stretch. Knees extended. Bend and then back center. Open, extend, bend, center. 2 more. Extend. Last one. Open, extend, bend, and then center. Slowly lower your feet down. Place your hands beside you, near your hips area. Slowly lift your hips off the mat for a bridge. Engaging your core muscles. As you hold this position, slowly open your knees apart for butterfly stretch. Center and then slowly go back down. So as you lift, you want to engage your abdominal muscles gently. Try not to overarch your spine. And then open your knees apart for butterfly stretch. Center and then down. 4 more. Open as you breathe out. Inhale as you breathe in. As you slowly go down 1 vertebrae at a time. Inhale. Exhale, open. Inhale, center, and then down. Last one. Lift. Open. Knees together and down. Well done. Now lift your knees up. 1 leg extended for a bicycle stretch. Single leg stretch. 1 leg reaching on the inner ankle. As you switch it up to the other side. Knees to chest, 1 knee at a time. Engaging your core and targeting your obliques. Breathe in, breathe out. Keeping your core engaged, lifting your shoulders off the mat. If your neck is hurting, you can rest your head down. But for those who want to challenge, lift 2 more. Last one. And then down. Well done. Lower your knees down. Arms on your side like a W position. Slowly lower your both knees on one side. As you lower your knees on the other side, you're going to turn your head away from your knees. Away. Opposite side as you breathe out. Inhale, back center. And then exhale to the other side, turning your head. Feeling that lovely stretch. Inhale, back center. Exhale away. 2 more to go. Last one. And exhale. Well done. Now let's lie on your side. Arm extended. Press your head on your shoulder. Slowly slide your knee. Inhale. And then exhale, extend. And then down. So slide. And then extend to 45 degrees. And then down. Engaging your core muscles. Bend, extend, and down. 2 more. Last one. Bend, extend, and down. Now, well done. Place your hand on the mat for support, keeping your back in neutral spine. You don't want to twist your spine. You can bend the lower knee down so you can have better support as you lower and then lift. Feeling that lovely hip engagement as you breathe out. As you lift, exhale. Inhale as you go down. 4 more. 2 and 1. And from this position, slowly go forward diagonally and then back, all the way back without twisting your spine, keeping your back in neutral. Forward and back. Feels so good on your back. 2 more. Last one. Forward and then back. Well done. Now slowly turn in your stomach. You're slowly engaging abdominal muscles. Place your hand near your chest area for a gentle upward facing dog stretch as you breathe out. And then slowly lower your chest down. Gently grab the mat with your toes. Brace yourself for a downward dog to stretch your low back and your hamstrings and calf muscles. Pedal left and right to stretch further, squeezing your core in. And then slowly back to a plank position. Lower your hips. Hips level to your shoulders. And then slowly lower your hips down for an upward facing dog as you breathe out. Now gently lower your chest down. Eccentric. Control on your triceps. Grab the mat with your toes for a downward dog. Pedal left and right. Breathe out. As you inhale, go to a plank position. Exhale, slowly lower your hips down to an upward facing dog. Exhale all the way down. Triceps. Eccentric control. Last set, grab the mat with your toes for a downward dog. Pedal left and right. Breathe out. Hands level to your shoulders. Hips down to a plank position, hips level to your shoulders. Slowly lower your hips down to an upward facing dog and breathe out. Now gently lower yourself down to all the way down to the mat. Now let's engage your upper back muscles for a seal pose, bending both knees, lifting your elbows on the side in the W position, strengthening your upper back as you exhale, squeezing your abdominal muscles. Inhale, lower your head down in your elbows simultaneously with your feet down. Lift your feet, bend your knees, lift your elbows to the side, extending your neck, looking up as you breathe out. Inhale down. Lowering your feet down and your elbows to the side. Lift. Breathe out. Lift your elbows. Bend your knees. Feet pointing to the ceiling. As you breathe out and exhale down. Inhale down. Last one. And then down. Well done. Now we're going to switch up to the other side. Lying on your left this time, extending your elbows. Head on your shoulder. One hand in front of you. And slowly slide your heel. Bend your knee, extend to 45 and then down. Inhale. Exhale, extend and down. 4 more. 3. Feels so good as you extend. 2. Last one. Slide, extend and down. Now bend the lower knee to support your back as you slowly lift your leg up to 45-degree angle and down. Inhale. Exhale. Feel that abdominal muscles engage by pulling your belly button in, keeping your back in neutral. Feel that hip abductors working hard. 2 more. Last one. And now hold it there to slowly go forward. Just 45-degree angle and then slowly go back behind you without twisting your spine, engaging your glutes muscles as you breathe out. Inhale forward. Exhale back. 2 more. Feel the burn on your hip muscles all the way down to your leg, toes pointing away, engaging your ankle muscles. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Well done. And now we're cooling down by some lovely yoga stretches on your back to relieve any pressure. So let's start with butterfly stretch. Feet together. Grab it with your hands. Pull it closer towards you for a deeper stretch. Gently rock side to side for a lovely movement of stretches with your breathing. Now slowly lower your feet down. Extend one leg. Place the other foot on the outside of your left knee. So my right knee. So my left foot is outside of my right knee, reaching my outside of my left knee. Slowly lower your knee down as I turn my head away. Slowly lower your knees to the right as I turn my head to the left. As I breathe in and breathe out, feel that lovely stretch on your back all the way to my neck. 2 more deep breaths in this position. Last one. And then slowly let go. Now we're going to switch it up to the other side. My right foot over my left knee, outside of my left knee. Left hand over my right side of my knee as I slowly lower my right knee towards the left and I gently turn my head to the right. As I breathe in and breathe out. 2 more deep breaths in this lovely stretch. Last deep breath in and exhale. Slowly go back down to the center. And then lift your feet up again, facing up to the ceiling. Grab your big toes for a happy baby stretch. Pulling your knees down for a deeper stretch on your hips. And then slowly rock side to side as well. Inhale and exhale. 2 more deep breaths in. Last one. And then slowly lower your feet down. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed my Pilates and Yoga Fusion for a full body workout. If you love this video, want to learn more about Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, health, and wellness, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Like and share this video. It would mean a lot to me every time you like my video to be shared more in this YouTube channel. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy. See you in my next video. Bye.